friends, this is Julie, and today I'm going to be making this cute little card with the Not Too Shabby February stamp of the month. I'm also going to be pulling in the Sweet Little Cuties paper pad from the Paper Pad Club. And I've just started out by stamping the images with Memento ink so that I can color them with Copic markers. And this image happens to have an open area, so I'm just closing that blanket area off so that it'll be easier to cut out later. And I did overshoot the mark a little bit, and you can either fix that with a white gel pen, you can fussy cut, or if you don't want to chance it, you could obviously start with a pencil before going in with the pen. So I'm going to be doing some Copic coloring here. I've left it in the video for those of you who like to watch. I'm doing 3 color blends for some of the bigger parts of the images, and then those smaller little portions are going to get 2 color blends. So I'm just going to put on a little music, and I will catch you on the other side to finish up the card. So I am just finishing up coloring this little sentiment, and then I'm going to cut the sentiment with a circle die, and then I fussy cut the stamped image. And I've chosen 3 papers from that Sweet Little Cuties paper pad, and the background panel is the gingham, and it is 5 inches by 3 3/4 inches. And then that orange strip is 2 1/4 inches by 5 inches, and then I matted it on that orange ombre panel with it being 2 3/8 by 5 inches. And I'm just kind of offsetting that on the card there. And then I've pulled in a little small doily that I'm going to frame my sentiment with. I just love paper doilies, and I thought it went really well with this gingham and the orange clay. So I'm going to add that to the card, and then next I will be bringing in an orange marker because that red is pulling a little too much focus, I think. So I'm just going to glaze over my image with the orange and try to get it to match the orange ombre a little bit more so it's not pulling focus. So I put some dimensional foam on the back of that bunny image, and now I'm just placing it down where I want it to go. And she's just too cute. And this was so sweet and simple. And now I'm just pulling in some sparkle. I love a good sparkle pen, so I'm just going over all the images with that sparkle pen just to give a hint of glimmer to everything. And then I will be bringing in some glossy accents to add a little gloss to the picture. Any of the glass elements should reflect light, so I'm going to add a good layer of glaze there, and then I'm also going to highlight that little orange slice in the sentiment with a little glossy glaze, and then I will sprinkle on some glitter there. And I'm going to add some to the nose as well as just highlight those little dots on the strawberry, just giving a hint of dimension. And there's my fine glitter that I'm just going to add. And now I am pulling in my white gel pen for some accents, and I am just kind of doing some wispies here just to give that fur just a little extra something. And that basically finishes up the card. I'm going to put it on an A2 card base. And I hope you were inspired today. Let me know if you like to color with alcohol markers. I'd love to know if you like to have it kept in the video or if you prefer it without. Please give me a thumbs up and I will catch you on the next one.